What happens when we are attached to money?
I think the flow of energy gets stopped. So if you let go of money easily, the more opportunities come easily. But because you cannot let go of money, you cannot receive. So if you let go easily, the more to come. Trust is the hardest part of money EQ. You have to have the trust that once you let go of money, it comes back. So you don't have the trust. That's why you start worrying. That's why you have doubts about yourself. So instead of attaching to your money, you can say, thank you for staying with me. Just go bless the world and come back with your friends as soon as possible.
Come back.
Yeah, something like money is love. Money is my friend. Money can help me achieve my dreams. But I think money is my best friend is a good affirmation. So when you think in my head, money is love, instead of money is a scary person, I think you feel a lot less stress.
What is the difference between happy money and unhappy money?
So happy money is money that makes you smile when you receive it. When you receive a check, happy money people say, wow, thank you. And then when they pay the bills, when they pay at the cashier, they say, thank you. That was a good meal. Thank you for the great service. And so they are always in appreciation mode. Whereas unhappy money people get irritated and squeezed when they receive a check. They feel like, oh, this is too small. And they start complaining about how little they get paid. And also when they pay money, they get frustrated with the rising cost of electricity or the rent or the mortgage. And also people feel frustrated and so bad about paying the bill. That is unhappy money.
Do you have any advice on how to reprogram ourselves from poor people mentality to a more positive relationship with money?
Not only for poor people or financially challenged people, I'd say the attitude or relationship you have with money will determine your life. My advice to you is to start appreciating money in your life. If you start appreciating money coming in, how much can you appreciate the money coming in? A lot of us are complaining, I can't pay all the bills with this salary, right? Instead of saying that, you can say, wow, I don't have the college education, or I don't have any skills, but people pay me this much. Thank you so much, for the money that you give it to me. And when you pay the bills, thank you so much for the electricity. Thank you so much for the food, so I don't have to stop today, or my families can eat. So if you have that appreciation mentality, people notice you.
Why are so many good people without the money?
It's because they are not interested. It's because they don't care about money as much as other like so-called bad people, right? Some bad people are obsessed with money energy. So just think about it. If you're just collecting baseball cards, and if you're so into it, you want to make sure you get the collection right. And if other people are not, I like the cars, but I'm not so, I'm not like so picky about those. So I guess, the ones who are very eager to get those cars will get them. So that's all. It's nothing to do with people being good with a good heart or bad heart. It's just about the volume of energy of attachment to money.
Once you start appreciating money coming in, money going out, you start appreciating about other things. So this arigato in, arigato out opens a door to a new life, which is full of appreciation. And I think we definitely need that. Wahe said, appreciation melts fear and anxiety. So if you start and if you keep appreciating money coming in, going out, you cannot worry about money at the same time because a human mind can focus one thing at a time. When money comes in, say arigato or thank you to money. And when you pay money, when money leaves your life, once again say arigato to your money. You bow to your money and then really thank the money for staying with you. Even though it's a short visit, thank you for staying. So money will love that. And then at night, money will just start to chatter. Ken is a good place. You should go.
I like that.
And then money will come back.